Hello everyone! I'm Lizzie and welcome back to Mama Liz's Kitchen. For those who are new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Today we will be making Silvanas. It is a delicious dessert. It is a cookie version of the sans-serval cake. It is made of meringue, cashew, and covered with buttercream filling. So let's start! Here are the ingredients. It is also listed in the description box below. First, draw a pattern of circle shapes into the wax paper onto the cookie sheet. Using a food processor, ground the cashew nuts, then set aside. Using the electric mixer, beat the egg whites for 1 minute. Then add the cream of tartar. Gradually add the sugar and beat from medium to high speed until it forms stiff peaks. Fold in the ground cashew nuts until well combined. Transfer meringue into a piping bag. Pipe the meringue into the cookie sheet lined with the wax paper. Then flat the top portion of the meringue. Bake meringue on a preheated oven at 150 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until lightly brown. Let us now prepare the buttercream filling. Beat the butter, powdered sugar, and milk at high speed for 1 minute to 2 minutes. Remove the meringue from oven and let it cool completely before removing from the wax paper. Let us now assemble the Silvanas. Spread the meringue with buttercream and cover it with another sandwich. Spread the buttercream all over the sandwich. Then roll the Silvanas in the biscuit crumbs. Refrigerate until firm. This is my favorite part. Taste test time.
Sarap!